How's it going, everybody? My name is TamashaBera. Well, that is basically the name of my channel, TamashaBera. Welcome to my channel where I'm going to be posting drawings every single day, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure you have your notifications turned on. That is always appreciated so that you guys get all the notifications every single day. Drop a like, that is always appreciated by me. And yeah, the main reason I draw these things is that I want you guys to go ahead and draw these same things. Let me know on my social media what you guys have drawn, and I'm always happy to share your drawings on my social media every now and then. So let me know on my social media. It is always on the screen. DM me, tell me like what you have drawn, and I'm always happy to see you guys, what you guys have done. Don't feel shy, feel free to go ahead and share it with me. So in today's video, we are drawing Mr. Toad from Luigi's Mansion 3, from the new game that has recently released. We even have drawn Luigi from Luigi's Mansion 3 as well. It is in the channel, so if you guys want that, you guys go ahead and click on my channel, and you guys will be able to draw Luigi as well. You know, if you guys are into Mario, you guys will know like Luigi. And we'll be drawing a few more characters from this game, and we will be switching over to some Fortnite skins very soon. So starting off with, I'm going to do a very fast-paced pencil drawing, and after this I'm going to be helping you guys out with the illustrations with the marker. So this is just a fast pace, so I'm going to give you guys the time to go ahead, get a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and get ready for this, because I will be helping you guys to draw Toad from the game. Make sure, guys, if you guys want to color it, I also have a representation at the end of the video so that you guys can choose from those particular colors that is there in the game, or else you guys can choose like any colors that you wish for. So you guys can use any colors. Talking about the colors, any colors is going to be fine. Watercolors, poster colors, acrylic colors, pencil colors, sketch pen, pastel colors, wax colors, any type of colors is just fine if you guys want to go ahead and color this up to make it more colorful. Why should you do it? This is like suitable for something to give to your friend. I know the holidays are coming up, so why don't you guys go ahead, spend some time in your holidays drawing some of the cool characters that we will be drawing here on this channel. You guys can give it to your friends, draw after your school if you guys are into all of that. So yeah, we are drawing this character, and I'm going to be showing you guys like a step-by-step process. So I hope you guys already have a piece of pencil, paper, an eraser, and also a sharpener just in case if you break your pencil. So yeah, I hope you guys have got everything at your place, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it properly. And as a professional who is drawing like forever, I will be helping you guys out regarding this. So we will be drawing one more Luigi Mansion 3 character as well on our channel. So we are going to be having all the characters from Luigi's Mansion 3 on the channel. So I urge you guys to go ahead, click on it, and check it out. We have like different playlists. We have been drawing like different Fortnite characters on our channel. So yeah, if I were you, I would have already subscribed to the channel with the notifications turned on, and I've already dropped a like. And if you guys are into Fortnite, use my supporter creator code TamashaBera in the Fortnite item shop, because that is my code. So now let's go ahead and let me show you guys how to draw it step by step. So first of all, we start off by using my eraser. That is right. Why am I using an eraser? Just to help you guys out, like so that once I erase everything off, all the pencil marks, it will be easy for me to color and easy for me to illustrate it to you guys. So I have taken my marker, and I'm going to be doing it step by step. So we're going to start off with the face as usual. So to start off with, we make a big curve like this at the center of the page. Okay, this is very easy, very simple. If you guys want, you guys can always go ahead and pause the video like 2 lines at the edge of the curve. You guys can pause the video at any time to help you guys out. Like you guys can always rewind. Good, and these type of tutorials are going to be free on my channel. So make a big curve like that to make his head, and also from the other side, leaving some gap in the middle, make another big curve like that, and joining these two ends over there. This is like freehand drawing. You don't even need like a rounder or something, a compass to make these circles. But if you guys really want to do it bad, you guys can take help from any material, which is going to help you draw circles or round figures. So over here we are making his big cap, so make these big circles. Very easy and simple to draw the toad in the game. And after this, I will be showing you guys properly how to draw every single part. So I hope you guys have reached till this point. If you guys have not, you guys can definitely go, like, don't rush it. Use your eraser. If you are making something wrong, you will be able to fix it very fast. So make two structures like these. Keep some space in the middle because we will be making the hands over here. Join these two lines with a curve at the very middle. Then go forward and make another curve like that to make his jacket. And do the same for the other side as well for his jacket. Alright, you guys can see there are like two curves on both the sides. So we're going to go ahead and make another parallel curve like this. Make a straight line. The same thing, we're going to draw a parallel line and join both of them together. And then we're going to make another curved line like this, as you guys can see, and then make the jacket right over here. As you guys can see, another jacket right over here. Very easy, very simple. On both the sides, okay? Don't just, if you guys are facing any difficulties, always use the comment section down below and I will be more than happy to help you guys out. So now we are making his pants. It is very easy. And now make a big curve, like from this part. Make a big curve all the way down. And then use that curve to make it into a big oval. Okay, make it into a big oval, as you guys can see, because it will be his boots. And make another oval in his boot to give it the effect of his foot. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make his feet. And we are going to make his pants, which is just a big curve. There you have it. Very easy. And right now we're going to make his other shoe. Simple, a big curve, like a big U. We just simply like draw a U, and over here we make his hand, so a curve like this and a big curve like that. A U which is turned sideways. Okay, so a sideways U, and then make his hands like this, and there you have it. So we are gonna make his fingers and his palm. So we make a curved line like this to make his fingers, and join all these things together to make his fingers. You guys see like these small things that I've made, and we're going to be doing the same thing over here. So a line over here, a big curve from here to the other side that we will be drawing right now. There you have it. Right now we're gonna go ahead and make the other hand, which will be on the side of his face. That is the reason I asked you guys to leave some space on his face, so that we can go ahead and make his whole face. For the eyebrows, we are going to make him look a little bit worried, so we make the eyebrows like tilted outwards and make these two ovals to make his eyes. There you have it. And right now we're going to make his face a big oval. There you have it. To make his tongue, it is very simple. We are going to draw a big curve like this, and there you have it. And now he's like screaming for help. And right now we are gonna go ahead and make his hands, so we make a big curve like this. Make his fingers. Again, those same things that we did with the other hand. There you have it. This is the full drawing of the Toad from Luigi's Mansion 3. This is the new game that has recently released. We have also have done the drawing of Luigi as well. This is the Toad that we need to save in the game. So if you guys are playing the game and if you guys are interested in all these drawings, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we will be doing like more drawings in the future that you guys can draw for yourself in your spare time. So I have also a representation at the end of this video when you guys will be coloring the whole character, how it is going to look like. But again, there are, you know, like different things that you guys can. What are these wires? And I'm working on my table, so there are like a lot of wires always there. So as I was saying, you guys can choose any type of colors, any color scheme that you guys want, anything which can be your favorite. You can even put your favorite colors instead of the ones that is shown in the video. So it is up to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't you guys forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Goodbye.